the face of the sharpener. Step 2. Put the pencil in the hole of the pencil sharpener. Step 3. Spin the crank until it gets easy. Step 4.
Take a. Then stop.
Okay, hold on. Charles, are ready for step 3?
Step
Step 4.
Go ahead.
Step 4.
Step 4. Put the pencil out of the sharpener.